Hi everyone, it's Pooka. Today we are going to do some mix and play slime, and it's a mermaid kind of slime. So first you want to get the slime out because you don't want to get these out until you get the slime out, and then you get these out. Then you put these into this, and then you get to mix it up, and then I'll show you a little bit of what I can do. And first, I will play with the slime to see how gooey it is. So, let me take it out. Actually, I want to start from this side because it's the slime part. And I got it on Christmas, so yes, it's very nice. So this is the slime. Woo! Guys, look at this. It's big. And first you want to mix it up first. And you want to stretch it out before you put all your nice stuff in it. And now I want to take out my stuff. So we got some shells. I have shells on my bow. And we got some shells. And we got some pearls. And some cool line glitter. And I know I showed you the shells, but I want to show you it twice. This is the slime. This slime. This is my mommy's favorite color. It's blue and it's very stretchy. And first, I want to put in the pearls because that. Let's put the glitter in because that's more messy.
Let's put it in the bowl.
Yeah, let's put it in the bowl.
Whoa.
And I can sprinkle it all in there.
This is why we're doing it on top of this board.
Whoa, it just popped out of here.
But the vacuum is nearby, so no worries.
Yes, it's very nearby. So I am not worrying about this glitter glam papoose. And oh, this is cool. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. You do want to take your slime out to mix it up, and you do want to mix it up because it's very glittery, and you don't want it just in one spot. You want to mix it up.
Sparkly.
Yeah, and I want to make it very sparkly, kind of, because I am a glitter person. But if this color was pink, it would have been so nice, because my favorite color is pink, which the box is pink. And I love mermaids, so that's why I like this video.
Let's see the sparkly slime. Wow.
It's very nice, and if I stretch it out, sometimes I just want to squeeze it. And sometimes I can just grab the slime and mash it. See how much slime I got off of it? That's a lot. Yes, it is. It's a lot of glitter.
What are you going to put in next?
Well, next, I feel like I want to put in the pearls.
Okay.
Because that's the next messy thing. Guys, all of this is very messy. Like I just popped out that. It's pretty. And these are little balls, so they are going to go everywhere. So you want them to stick to your slime like crazy.
And the package says you have to be at least 4. Let's see that package.
Okay. This package. It's a rib. You have to be 4 or ages
this
up.
Is for ages 4 and up. And you still want to supervise your children with this. This is what it has in it.
And this is my mom talking, so it's not really me.
Mom. Okay, back to the slime.
We just wanted to tell you how many ages can
There
be
are a lot
there.
of small parts in here, so there are choking hazards. So children must be supervised.
Like these shells,
making these items.
Like these shells, it can like choke them in
Let's see
slime.
the pearls.
Ooh.
It's so mermaid-like.
And now we add.
And we have a mermaid tail here.
And this is my mermaid top for my mermaid box.
What does it say?
Be a mermaid and make waves.
All right.
So.
The slime looks kind of like a wave.
Yeah. But this one's made, bro. Okay, so there's the slime in first. And the glitter. You saw the glitter one. But here it is. I'm going to take out one of the shell. The pearls so you guys can see it. Woo! Smash it right in that candy. Now we're gonna get into the shells. I see there's like little bitty things in it. Let's get to the shells. I like these shells. They're pink.
Yes. Our favorite colors.
Our favorite colors all mixed together. Shells. I'm gonna just squeeze those shells in. You want to make sure the shells are in very well. And if you guys are excited for this new video, well, it's gonna be so good. But as long as you guys want to see one of my tricks I have for the slime, well, not trick, but I mean it's just like a cute little thing for slime if you want to do it.
Oh, I heard a pearl.
Yep, it fell out. It sure is a falling out pearl.
Wow, let's see this. Ooh. Oh, let's get it. Wow, look at that. The shells and the pearls.
It's shiny. Okay,
and
guys.
the glitter.
Why is the pearls coming out? Crazy pearls.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Wow. Whoa. All right, let's get a good shot of the...
And you guys, I think I wanted a little bit, like, good sparkly.
Oh my goodness, look at the sparkle, and we have pearls, and she's adding even more sparkles.
Because I love sparkles, so I'll add some more sparkles. And I gotta mix it. Make sure when you get the sparkles, dust off the sparkles, so it won't get on your hand.
And show them the case that it came in, that when you're finished playing with it, you can keep it fresh. So show them how to...
So, the funny part I like is when you put it into the case, and you have to squirt, and it farts kind of like. But this case is a little small, so it probably won't do. And then close it up for fresh. And you can see the glitter in it, so it's cool, but we're going to take it out.
All right, well, that's how you make slime. This was a fun pack that was easy. We didn't have to actually make the slime. The slime was pre-made, and she got to just add some fun stuff to it. So that's my kind of slime.
Well, I got this for Christmas, so you guys, I didn't know this was coming. It wasn't really on my Christmas list.
It was a surprise.
It was just a surprise from Mr. Stan and Mrs.
Well, I'm sure Pooka Bean is going to spend a little time playing with her slime now. So thank you for watching.
Wait.
What?
I want to show him something.
What are you going to show him?
Well, I want to show you guys something.
I'm sorry, she wants to show you something.
Some people think this is really satisfying. So I'm like, how is that satisfying? You really can't hear anything. And some kids or adults like to make bubbles out of slime. But I'm not sure you'll make a bubble out of this slime. Because this slime is pretty much so sparkly.
I see you're using the slime to clean up, which is a pretty cool trick.
Yeah, I like to use the slime to clean up. Because slime is pretty sticky. And it does have the glitter in it. It doesn't ruin it.
So you can use the slime to pick up all those extra pieces of glitter.
But sometimes it will wear your hair out. So you have to shake it up. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you for watching
Mommy.
the video. What?
Okay, so I need to do something else for you guys. Okay, so let me show you. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.
Oh, there's a pearl. Thank you for watching. Please
Bye.
subscribe and tune in. Hit the bell so you receive notifications when Pooka Bean uploads a new video. And
Like this video.
like this video. And she's going to show you how to make slime clothes for Barbie. That's going to be pretty cool, so you don't want to miss it. All right. Thank you for watching.